Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best coffee grinder that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5. Best coffee grinder. If so, to start making a fresh coffee on your own, you should purchase one coffee grinder first. With the best coffee grinder, you will be able to grind a coffee very easy and even save up your precious time as well. It is important to purchase a great item that is reliable. However, nowadays there are many kinds of coffee grinder which are available and sell. Number 5. Compresso Infinity Conical Burr Grinder. For maximum aroma and flavor retention, nothing beats the Infinity Conical Burr Grinder series. Computer-controlled special grinding heads. Burrs are produced as matched pairs. Main features: wide grinding range, ABS black plastic, large capacity. Number 4. Harriet Ceramic Coffee Mill Skeleton Grinder. This hand grinder has been designed by Harriet to provide coffee lovers with an inexpensive means to have freshly ground coffee, even while traveling. Main features: ergonomically designed crank handle, manual coffee mill grinds, non-slip rubber base. Number 3. Hamilton Beach Custom Grind Hands-Free Coffee Grinder. Hands-free operation with 5 different automatic coffee flavor settings. Grinder chamber makes up to 12 cups of coffee beans at a time. Main features: removable grinding chamber, precise cup and fineness settings, hidden cord storage. Number 2. Cuisinart DBM8 Supreme Grind Automatic Burr Mill. The elegant brushed stainless steel Cuisinart Burr Mill boasts 18 levels to grind your coffee beans, from ultra-fine to extra coarse. Main features: removable grind chamber holds, 18-position grind selector, cord length 34. Number 1. Krups F203 Electric Spice and Coffee Grinder. Grind whole coffee beans quickly and efficiently. Grinder, a nice alternative to pre-ground coffee. Brewing freshly ground beans promotes maximum rich aroma. Main features: lid activated safety switch, large grinding capacity, yields oval blade shape. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.